great. This is the bridge. That was awesome. Let's hear some snaps. Let's hear some clapping.
When I play the violin, I feel so proud of myself because I saw, basically in school, I saw other people playing music, so I got inspired by them.
The first time I felt nervous because I thought I would make some cracks with the bows and violin, but now I got better each day and now I'm doing better.
I think music is important because it allows people to express themselves in different ways.
Good evening, everyone, and
welcome to the Sfso Symphony concert.
We are so excited to share the music we have learned this year. Tonight we will perform music from different countries, time periods, and styles.
Along the way, we also learn techniques, rhythm, teamwork, and to read music.
Thank you to our families and teachers for supporting us throughout this year.
Our first piece is called Oats and Peas and Beans and Barley Grow, and it is a traditional English folk song that is more than 200 years old. Is Ode to Joy from Beethoven's Ninth Symphony. We play this piece using the notes in the D major scale. The composer Ludwig van Beethoven is one of the most famous composers in history.
In class, we learned about dynamics following the conductor and how to play smoothly with long bow strokes.
Our third piece is Going Home, based on the beautiful theme from the second movement of New World Symphony.
The symphony was written by Czech composer Antonin Dvorak in 1893 while he was living in the United States.
He was inspired by African American spiritual and folk music and composed this beautiful melody while he was living in New York.
This music is peaceful and reminds many people of home, family, and memories.
Now listed as gifted, and he's gone up on his test scores. He's putting, I want to say before he would be a little lackadaisical sometimes, but he's putting more effort into, I want to say, all aspects of everything that he does now.
bravo!
Come out, and she is going to tune the orchestra. Ready, clap. Wasp. And now we're going to listen to a portion of Aaron Copland's Appalachian Spring. This had mixed reactions to the Declaration of Independence, with most celebrating it as a bold step toward liberty and unity. Some feared war, but were proud of the steps being taken towards democracy. Why does this still matter? The story continues with you. This is your country, your future, your story, and it all began with the Declaration of Independence.